Hello guys, welcome to Lolo's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making Scotch eggs. So go in with grounded meat, then add your salt, go in with some garlic powder and ginger powder, then go in with a pinch of curry powder, is optional, some black pepper and some dry scent leaf. Mix and combine together until they are well mixed and combined. Mix it thoroughly until you get the consistency you want. After enough mixing, then you arrange it thoroughly and set it aside. Then the next thing we are going to do is to peel off our egg. So we are using 5 eggs. Peel it thoroughly and set it aside. Then the next thing is to grab our flour, go in with a pinch of salt, add a pinch of sugar, add some nutmeg and mix and combine together. After enough mixing, the next thing you have to do is to set it aside. Then we go in with our scrub dry bread, then pour it in your bowl and set it aside. Then we crack our egg, go in with some milk, mix the egg, beat the egg thoroughly until the egg is well beat and combined together. As you can see, the whole ingredient is well ready and nice. What you have to do is to bring out the grounded meat and scoop it, put it in your pan and make sure that it is well spread wide. Go in with some 1 egg and cover it thoroughly. Make sure it is well covered and nice and sealed thoroughly. If you notice that it did not cover enough, you can grab a little bit of the grounded meat and use it and seal it up. Seal it thoroughly until it is well sealed and nice. Then after that, so this is the consistency you are going for. So the next thing is to repeat the same process again. Scoop it in your pan and grab your egg, put it inside and cover it thoroughly. Make sure it is well covered. If the meat you put in your pan is not enough to cover it, you can scoop up another meat and make sure that it is well scooped and covered thoroughly. Make sure it is well covered to avoid the Scotch eggs not to get burst while frying it. Make sure it is well sealed like this. Seal it and mold it like a ball. So this is the consistency you are going for. Make sure it is well sealed and nice. After enough repeating the same process, so this is what we have here. So our 5 eggs is ready. Dip it inside the flour and make sure you scrub it with enough flour. Then after that, you put it in the egg that is already beat. Dip it inside the egg. After dipping it, make sure it is well scrubbed with the egg. Then we bring out our scrambled bread. Then we dip it inside the scrambled bread. After dipping it, then by that time our oil was already on the fire. Then we repeat the same process until we are done with the scrubbed egg. Then put it in the hot oil, fry it until it is well fried and nice. As you are frying it, make sure that your gas is well low down. Make sure your gas is low, medium to low heat. It is well low, and you keep your eyes on it and keep turning it until it is well fried enough. After enough frying, after you notice that it is well golden brown, what you have to do is to grab our feta and we scoop it out of the hot oil. As you can see, it's ready, it's nice and it's okay. Are you still going to try it? Definitely I'm going to try this scrambled egg. It tastes so amazing, so yummy and so delicious. You see these crushed eggs, it tastes so amazing, so yummy and so delicious. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Lolo's Kitchen. Drop your comments and I'm still going to try this thing again. Then I'm still going to come back here and show you guys. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye for now.